Welcome back to my channel, and here we are going to make use of this AutoCAD software. We are going to make use of it to make an involute of a triangle. We are going to construct an involute of a triangle, and the triangle that I'm going to use is an equilateral triangle with a side 30. So let's start and see how this construction can be done. So the first thing that I want to do is to construct the triangle, and we'll come here to line, and then we need to make sure we enable auto mode. Then I click on line, then I'm going to draw a line to 30. So this is 30, and then I will right click and deactivate it. And the next thing I'm going to do is that, so I'm going to repeat the line, then I'm going to click at this point. But before that, I need to put off the auto mode. I need to put off the auto mode so that I can make the line to be at an angle. So as you know that each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. So I'm going to make this line to be at an angle 60. So that's 60 degrees, as you can see on the screen. Then I will give it a length of 30. So this is 30. So that's all. So we have that. Then I'm going to repeat the line again. So coming to this point, then it goes in this direction at an angle 120. So that angle is going to be, that's going to be an exterior angle. So 120, and then the length is 30. So that's it. So we have constructed this equilateral triangle. Then the next that we are going to do is to, we are going to extend this line, okay? But before that, let's number the point as we have here. So to number the point, so I will come to the text, and I'm going to, I'm being asked to specify the point. Then the height that I'm going to give to it is 2. So that's it. Then for the rotation angle, the angle is what? Is 0. So that's it. So we have what? We have this point. So I'm going to have this to be 1. So then I also have this to be, this is 2. Then I have this to be 3. So I have this to be 3. Then I'm going to have another one to be P1. So P1. Then I have another one to be P2. So P2. Then I'm going to have another one to be P3. I'm going to make use of all this. So this is P3. So I'm going to make use of all this. Then I will so escape. Okay. So that will just click on escape key on the keyboard. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to place each of these. So I'll bring this one. So bring it to this point. So this is where I have point 1. Then for this, so I will bring it to this point. So this is where I have point 2 here. Okay. So I bring it back here. So this is point 2. Then I'm going to bring this 3. I'm bringing it here. So this is where I have point 3. So that's it. So I will deselect. And the next I'm going to do is that I'm going to extend each of this line. So for this line 1 to 3 now, so I'm going to extend it. And the extension is going to be equal to the perimeter of this triangle. So as you know, for us to get the perimeter of this triangle, we are going to add the length of sides together, and total is 90. So I'm going to extend from this point. So I will stretch it where I need to put on this auto mode. So then, so by length, the length is 90. So the extension is 90 from this point 3. So enter. So that is 90 millimeters. I'm going to deactivate. Sorry, I'm going to deselect this. So this is the line. So this is the point where I'm going to put this P3. So I need to put off this auto mode. So for this to come here. So that is point 3. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to extend this line. So I'm going to extend this line. But I want to extend this line from point 1. So the length of the extension is going to be equal to the length of line 1, 3. So that is 30. So I'm going to extend this by 30 millimeters. So to this direction, so by 30 or 30, okay, so here we have 30, so enter. So that's it. So at this point, I'm going to bring P1 here. So this is where we have P1 at this point. All right, so I will deselect it. So also, I need to extend this line to 3. So, and the extension is going to be equal to 60. So it's going to be equal to 60. So, so if I click on this, then I'm going to extend in this direction. So I'm going to give it a distance of 60. So 60. Okay, so we have this. Then I'm going to deselect this. So then, so for this now, so this is going to be, this point will be P2. So I'm going to take P2 here. So we have it here. So then I will deselect it. So next thing that we are going to do is to make use of arc to draw this involute of this triangle. So we come to arc here and we select this particular one, center, start, and end. So this is the one we are going to use. So we select it, and then, so this is the center. If I want to construct the arc here, so this is the center. Okay, so I'm going to come to this point. This is start, and this is end. So right click. Okay, then we repeat the arc again. So then for this is the center. Then I will take it from here. So then this cannot work. So I'm going to take it again. So then I will, this is center. Then I will take it from here. Okay, it doesn't work. So I'm going to all right, so I will come here again and select this particular arc. So this is the center. So I will take it from here to here. Okay, so we have this. So then the next one is that I will also come again and then so select this one. Then this is the center. Then I'm going to take it from here. So from P3 and it goes to this point P2 here. So we have formed this involute of a triangle, as you can see it here. So next that I'm going to do is that I'm going to use a particular tool to make it to the arcs or this curve to be 1 or the locus to be 1. And how do I do that? I'm going to type join. So join on the keyboard and then enter. So I will select each of them. I will select each of them like this. So there is it. Okay, so then I will right click. So it has become, everything has become 1. So I think except this, there is a break here. There's a break here. So how do we do that? So I'm going to look at it. And I'm going to join them. I think at this particular point, there is a break at this point. I can see it. So, so I'm just going to adjust. So I will click on this and then I'll bring it to this point. Yes, so it's joined. So I will deselect it. Then next thing I'm going to do is that I will type join again. So so join, enter. Then I will select this and then select this, then enter. So everything has become 1, as you can see here. So let's look at it. So everything has become 1. As you can see that they are all highlighted, as you can see. So next thing I'm going to do is that I want to make this curve to look more thicker. So I'm going to select it. Then I will come to line width. Then I will select this particular one. Then I will also change the color to my preferred color. I love this color. So select this. So this is it. So then I will deselect. So this is the involute of a triangle as we have done it. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice this, you become a master at it. Thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.